Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to get free gems in MeChat. Alright, so let me open up the MeChat, and as you can see, we're low on gems, but we press this button, we can add unlimited gems. So I'm going to press it, and it's going to add the gems to my MeChat account. So afterwards, I'll be showing you how to download this for your device, okay? So, verifying device, alright. So let's see what happens. All right, preparing device. Okay, so it looks like we're good to go. So let's see if those gems start going up on the MeChat, guys. So hopefully it increases. We can be masters of the universe. And yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So let's get down dirty. So first thing we're going to do is go to this website right here. It's called matrixmods.com. So this site is very cool. There's a lot of stuff on here you're not going to find anywhere else. So type in MeChat, press on it, and then press download. So the next thing we have to do is the verification, okay? So you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So it's going to load up, and then we're done. So it's loading right now, so just give it a second, and you can see it's going to say missing files. So you want to download some of these apps. They're all free from the App Store. Then you'll get the MeChat mod. So for instance, Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. All right. Then we got DraftKings, Travel Town, tons of these. So make sure you do 2 of them. Press help if you need it. There's a video to watch. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and it fully works. So MeChat, free gems, so crazy updated for everyone to do, and enjoy it tonight and in the future.